Have you been following this GameStop situation?
Here and there.
Holy moly.
Stonks.
Game stonks. Yeah. Elon tweeted about it as well, which of course memed it even further. It turned the meme dial on it. This group on Reddit, what are they called? They're called why do I not remember the name of the group on Reddit now? Wall Street Bets. Yes, of course. Wall Street Bets. They have taken aim at the variety of hedge funds that have been shorting name brand retail stocks. Well, specifically in this case, GameStop. There are some others, I don't know. But they have effectively caused havoc for these hedge funds that have these tremendously large short bets against certain stocks. And GameStop is the best example for us to use here. So you're a hedge fund, you manage billions of dollars, Will. You at some point believe that you have an inclination or an insight that a particular company is doomed. You short the company, meaning that you stand to earn money if the company fails.
Yeah, bankrupt or
continues to fail.
Lower, yeah.
It's a bet. Wall Street Bets, on the other hand, hence the name, they got the bet in there, comes out and says, no, you don't. They say, we're sick and tired of being pushed around. We're a hedge fund. We'll flip the whole thing. And they come in there and buy up so much GameStop. This is like the meme stock market right now. That these dudes are in such a tough position now, Will, where they've got these short positions and the debt load that they would have to pay back now at the new rate is so high that they got to start exiting those positions to stop the bleeding. And they're not used to listening to what Reddit says. But these guys say, no, it's our game now. And they're targeting specific hedge funds. What is the name of the one that's cooked on this one? I'm not going to remember. Vin sent a message with it earlier today. Let me see if I can get it right. I want to get the hedge fund name correct here. I'm not going to find it in here. But they're creating what's called a short squeeze, which puts...
Melvin Capital.
What's that?
Melvin Capital?
Melvin Capital. They took aim at Melvin Capital. And it has the potential, Will, to change the entire way in which hedge funds would disclose their various positions. Because now you're saying, oh, you want to tell us that you're playing a certain game? Like, do these people even care about game? Like, are they really taking a long position? Or are there just so many people having fun with trading right now that they can just be like, you know what? Wouldn't it be funny if we totally wreck a massive hedge fund? Yeah. Wouldn't it be funny if each of us contributing a small amount of money completely shifted? Now, maybe there could be more in a more altruistic mindset too, which they're like, you know what? We like GameStop, so get out of our face.